And this is not really to make any challenge to the President. Mudto sige gaan hantod na, sige nadugay na. On that to change the Constitution to prolong. Patason. Okay. Pagkahuman, magtanaw niya maglisod, declared martial law. So we had to endure almost 20 years o usa ka tawo lang. Walay buto-buto. Ang demokrasya, ang pamaagi, na ay rotation palibot 6 years. Ang local, wala may limit o gihigugma kapastaw. Walay pugos, walay terorismo,